Did you know basic science has always been at your side, quietly moving the world? 38 microseconds. That's how much time passes faster on satellites. GPS corrects these time errors and allows us to determine our location in real time. It was in the early 1900s when Einstein's theory of relativity proposed that time flows differently depending on the conditions. If it weren't for this basic research, the streets would be crowded with lost drivers unable to find directions. 1976 Hungary. Graduate student Katalin Karikó came up with the idea of using mRNA to create vaccines and drugs. Although this was seen as nonsense, she continued her research. And this eventually led to a modified mRNA that did not cause an immune response. The mRNA vaccine to combat diseases that threaten humanity has been completed based on this technology. And in 2019, the mRNA vaccine won the most competitive vaccine development race in human history. Behind the creation of the COVID-19 vaccine was the persistence of a basic scientist that no one had paid attention to for over 40 years. In this way, basic science is present in our lives and is powerfully moving the world.
100여 년 전 양자역학이라는 기초 물리학적 새로운 원리의 발견이 기존의 컴퓨터를 월등히 뛰어넘는 신개념의 양자 컴퓨터로 이어지고 1970, 80년대 2차 전지에 대한 새로운 연구가 자동차 산업의 패러다임을 바꾸고 있으며 mRNA를 이용하여 약을 만들자는 새로운 아이디어는 mRNA 백신으로 이어져 코로나의 위기로부터 인류를 구하고 있습니다.
IBS is quietly changing the future through paradigm-changing basic science research. A new era in quantum information science. The IBS Center for Quantum Nanoscience has created qubits, the basic unit of quantum computing, in a new approach that no one else has attempted through consistent basic research. Researchers developed new equipment and implemented a single atom qubit using the spin of atoms. They have now completed a multi-qubit system that can control multiple qubits simultaneously and have fewer errors. In this way, IBS is opening an era of quantum information science, solving humanity's problems one atom at a time. A new look at dementia treatment. Dementia, the saddest disease. So far, research on brain-related diseases has mainly focused on nerve cells. Alzheimer's and dementia research also looked for causes based on neurons. But there has been no satisfactory progress in treatment. IBS Center for Cognition and Sociality looked for answers in astrocytes, which have long been considered to have only a supportive role in brain functions. They have identified that glial cells are involved in the onset of dementia, which has changed the paradigm of dementia treatment. Proposals to tackle climate change. The IBS Center for Climate Physics uses a supercomputer to analyze the impact of climate change on the survival and demise of human ancestors 3 million years ago, and predicts the impact the future climate will have on humanity. These research findings are considered in the government's actions against climate change and provide valuable clues to help ensure humanity's survival. IBS asks important questions that shape our world and searches for useful clues to guide humanity into the future.
우리 우주는 어떻게 탄생됐으며 그것을 밝혀줄 궁극의 자연 법칙은 무엇일까요?
Can we build and control structures one atom at a time?
인간의 뇌는 어떻게 작용할까요?
Even though all these current efforts may not appear to have immediate use, a new world is surely awaiting on the other side.
기초과학을 한다는 건 먼저 배짱 두둑한 탐험가가 되어야 하는 것과 같죠.
기초과학을 하는 일은 어둠 속에 전조등을 밝히는 일 같은 겁니다. 미지의 영역을 밝혀서 인간의 지적 경계를 넓혀 나가는 일이죠.
기초과학은 자연이 어떻게 움직이는지, 자연이 어떻게 구성되어 있는지 이런 것들을 가장 깊게 이해할 수 있는 학문이기 때문에 그런 것들이 알고 싶고 호기심이 생길 수밖에 없는 학문이죠.
So basic science is of course curiosity driven research that tries to understand the fundamental mechanisms of nature.
제가 생각하는 수학의 쓸모는 세상에 존재하는 어떤 현상을 컴퓨터가 이해할 수 있도록 번역해주는 언어인 것 같습니다. 기초 수학이 지향하는 바는 저희 인간이 더 건강하고 행복하고 잘 살게 하는 데 있지 않나 싶습니다.
우리가 어디에서 왔고 우리가 무엇이고 어디로 가느냐 그 과정을 밝히고자 하는 것에 이 중형 가속기의 필요성이 있습니다.
지금 연구하는 새로운 발견이 10년, 20년, 100년 후에 어떤 곳에 쓸지는 사실은 아무도 모르고요.
인류를 대표해서 지적 호기심을 해결하는 인류의 지식의 지평을 넓히는 데 노력을 하고 있는 과학자들입니다.
기초과학은 응용성을 강요하기에는 좀 어려운 부분들이 많습니다. 실용적인 혹은 응용성을 담보하거나 우리가 생각하지 않더라도 새로운 물질 문명을 가능하게 한다는 면에서 기초과학의 응용성이나 쓸모는 무한대입니다.
A world where anything we want becomes possible. To keep up with the speed of imagination, basic science prepares one step ahead. Even if the new discoveries are not immediately useful, basic science moves forward silently. Along with a better future. IBS, Institute for Basic Science.